Why is my Porsche steering wheel making noises? A noisy steering wheel in a Porsche can indicate underlying mechanical issues that affect performance and safety. Ignoring these noises can lead to costly repairs and potential driving hazards. Understanding common causes and solutions ensures a smooth and precise driving experience. Low power steering fluid levels. Insufficient power steering fluid can cause whining or groaning noises, especially during turns. Fluid loss may be due to leaks in the power steering system, requiring immediate inspection and refilling. Worn or failing power steering pump. A failing pump can produce whining, grinding, or squealing noises when steering. If left unaddressed, it may lead to complete loss of power assistance, making steering difficult. Damaged or loose steering rack components. A loose or worn steering rack can cause clunking or knocking sounds, particularly when turning. This issue affects steering precision and may lead to misalignment or uneven tire wear. Faulty steering column bearings. Worn-out bearings can create clicking or squeaking sounds inside the steering column. Regular lubrication or replacement of these bearings prevents further steering issues. Tie rod and ball joint wear. Worn tie rods and ball joints may produce creaking or popping noises when maneuvering. These components are crucial for stability and should be replaced when excessive play is detected. Suspension component interference. Damaged suspension parts, such as control arms or bushings, can lead to squeaks or rattles in the steering system. A thorough inspection can identify the source and prevent further wear. Belt and pulley issues. A loose or worn serpentine belt can cause squealing noises when turning the wheel. Proper tensioning or replacement ensures smooth operation of the power steering system. Steering wheel noises in a Porsche should never be ignored, as they indicate underlying mechanical issues. Routine maintenance and timely repairs help prevent costly damage and ensure optimal performance. Consulting a Porsche specialist for a professional diagnosis ensures the safety and longevity of your vehicle.